Sabi nila na mamamatay tao ako, baka talaga. Ang hiningi ko lang, stop. Corruption must stop. Walang droga, kung maari lang, maubos ko. Criminality, ganoon rin. Kaya pag sinabi kong huminto kayo. Wala akong hangarin except my country. And I pray to God. I pray to God that the nation will be enlightened by His grace, and you can choose the leader, the one who can make it happen.